8 all-natural floor cleaners. Show your floors who's boss with this eco-friendly, vegan floor cleaner that's certified by the Canadian Ecologo program, an environmental watchdog. The tea tree oil within will help zap any bacteria that may be lurking on your floors, and its gentle formula won't leave any streaking. Plus, Attitude makes its products carbon neutral, meaning no carbon footprint is left behind in the manufacturing of the product. It is made with plant and mineral-based ingredients, and it contains no cancer-causing chemicals. Formerly branded as Simply Floored, you just might be floored by the entire line of Better Life cleaning products. The naturally dirt-destroying floor cleaner is an all-natural, gentle floor cleaner with a light citrus and mint scent. It can be used on every type of floor, including marble and hardwood. With no solvents, alcohols, or ethers, it will not eat slowly away at your floor finish as some other cleaners might. It is also available in larger industrial sizes. Harness the biology of natural enzyme cultures, citrus extracts, and a plant-based solution to clean and deodorize sealed and water-safe floors, such as hardwood, laminate, marble, and ceramic tile. Simply spray this Green Seal-approved cleaner on floor surfaces to combat dirt, grease, grime, and food particles. Formerly called Dave from EcoMe, it is now simply branded as EcoMe Floor Cleaner. Mix this all-natural concentrated cleaner, which is Leaping Bunny certified, with water to clean any type of flooring, including sealed marble and wood. It does not give off harsh fumes or contain sulfates, phthalate, ammonia, bleach, synthetic fragrance, dyes, phosphates, preservatives, or animal byproducts. Tread more gently on the earth, but don't worry about being too hard on your floors. This cleaner made from plant-based, replenishable ingredients will not strip the wax or sealants off of your wood or laminate floors. Simply spray and mop away, no rinsing required. Be eco-conscious with this biodegradable floor cleaner containing plant and mineral-based ingredients, such as linseed oil, which is derived from flax seeds. Specifically designed for untreated, natural, porous flooring such as marble, concrete or linoleum, it will keep your floors looking clean while still being green. Obtain super clean floors naturally with this lightly citrus-scented, plant and enzyme-based formula that cleans any type of washable flooring from cork to stone to wood. It helps break down any filmy residue you might already have on your floor, and the enzymes are great at combating pet odors. Spray it on, damp mop off, and you are done. Cleaning your floors is a simple and green affair with this earth-friendly, woodsy-scented cleaner that you simply spray on laminate, porcelain tile, slate, finished wood, or linoleum and then mop up with a damp mop. It is a 100% naturally sourced, biodegradable formula that is Green Seal certified and takes care of acidic and alkaline soils, as well as oily residues. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.